Good morning, Catherine Solomon. How are you?
Good morning. I'm good. How are you?
I'm fantastic, and we're taking a look at, well, we're talking about March break because you have to be ahead of time. In fact, for a lot of city programs, you might be out of luck, in fact, and so you end up with you and the kids, and you're in the Byward Market, and there's so much to do.
Then where are you going to start?
That's a good question. I like this. You have a slideshow going behind us, with, and we might as well just follow along with it. Kids will be happy with this. So will parents. I'm a big sour candy junkie, really.
Sugar Mountain is an incredible place for the entire family to go. They have the bulk candy that lines the walls, for example, here, and it's all the same cost. It just goes by weight, but there's also these retro candies that are really, really cool.
And hard to get. English candies are in there too. I know stuff about candy a little bit, and so yeah, the kids love it. They can pick and do a pick and mix of their favorites.
They can, and the Pez Wall is really famous.
Incredible. And in fact, whenever there are tourists in town, friends, I always bring them to Sugar Mountain because it's a mind-blowing experience.
It's a great place to start. So you're going to get your sugar fix for the day so that you can
You want to do it early so when they're on the rush, you've got some activities to do.
That's right.
Many other things to do throughout the Byward Market, and not just kid-centric, but there are some things that mom and child or dad and child can do together. Let's talk about Bang On.
Bang On is a really interesting store where you can design your own t-shirts. You can pick from a selection of colors and patterns. So you're going to be making something that's unique to you.
Yeah, and we know that beaver tails are a lot of fun as well. Super famous for down here. Let's talk a little bit about the Expedition Shop because there are some really cool things going on there.
Yeah, the Expedition Shop, it really does specialize in venturing out in the world. So if you're not going to be staying in Ottawa, you might want to check their place out first because they have all of these elements that you can use for your traveling. They've got the travel size bottles that are perfect for airlines. You can just toss them in your backpack, and lots of things are on sale right now too.
I like that too. This is an excellent craft activity at Sassy Bead. They have every kind of bead you can imagine.
They do. They have a kids corner up at the second level, so you're going to be able to bring the kids there and they can pick and choose what they want to do. And they also have a table on the first floor where you can put together your own jewelry under the guidance and advice of the people who work there. So there's no classes, it's not formal, but you can go in with a group of friends, choose some things that you would like to do, and you put together a really beautiful piece at the end.
We're off from school for the week, so we stay away from the maths and sciences and tend to gravitate toward the arts a little bit. So the Ottawa School of Arts, you've had good experience with it. I only hear great things. I've been there too, and it's a really special place.
Yeah, the Ottawa School of Art has fantastic classes for school-age children, and there's before and after care available.
Oh, cool.
So that's really helpful for parents who are traveling and might not work in the Byward Market, but they can come and pick up their kids and not worry about them at all.
Yeah, that sounds fantastic. And then, of course, you can also talk about the National Gallery.
The National Gallery is a beautiful place to visit, and they also have the Artissima program, which is available with your admission. So you can come and take a look at the permanent exhibits and check out some of the turnover exhibits as well. But stop at the Artissima, which is really fun for the little kids.
Yeah, that sounds good. You know what I like? You're giving them, gained yourself culture in the form of arts and different foods. There's almost every country I feel like was almost represented in the Byward Market in cuisine.
It is. It's represented in every single restaurant and business that you can find here. So we're really very diverse in the market.
A couple of killer burrito places, just saying. And so that runs during the March break.
Throughout the March break.
The entire week.
As well as the Royal Canadian Mint. They have guided tours, but you might want to call in advance. They are open Monday to Friday during the March break, but do call in advance if you have a slightly larger group that's going to be going in, so that really make sure that you have your devoted time.
One of the most fun things to do there is, everybody talks about it, is where you get to lift the gold bar. There's a gold bar in the Royal Canadian Mint, a real one. It's chained down heavily, but lifting it's really an interesting experience knowing how much that weighs, so that's always something that sticks with the kids, that and the fact that they punch coins there too.
Yeah, and that's something that the kids are never going to forget.
Yeah, exactly, and it's totally outside. We want to stay outside the realm of school, I think, personally anyway. I guess some parents would be like drilling on math and flashcards, but let's have a little fun. Get down to the Byward Market.
And speaking of fun, there's Tickled Pink. They've got some great sales going on right now, and they really do feature a lot of play clothes and imagination clothes. So if
Like
you've
that.
got little kids at home that you're really not sure what to do with them during that break, why don't you head over, have them pick out a costume and they can play.
And you know, just a little dress-up time. That's fun. And
It is.
dads, you're gonna have to suck it up and be a princess on a day. I'm sorry, that's just the way it is gonna be if you have a daughter.
Every good dad would.
It's true. Sussex Courtyards.
The Sussex Courtyards are a beautiful little pedestrian area to walk along. They run just behind the Sussex Drive. There's the Dancing Bear Courtyard, which is really popular with the kids because there is a bear that appears to be dancing, and it's a great photographic opportunity.
I say you start your day at Zach's and then see what happens from there. Not a
I think you
bad
should.
plan.
Zach's is a great place to bring the family.
Beautiful.
All the kids love the music and the colors. It's a lot of fun.
And then you get the blue plate and the awesome shakes and all that business. Very cool. Catherine, thank you so much for joining us. Byward
Thank
Market
you.
Buzz. We're back in a moment.